What's going on, guys? Mase The Barber coming back to you guys with yet another video. Today's going to be a haircut tutorial. It's a high skin fade with dreadlocks on top. But first, I got some new equipment. So the first thing I got is a Sigma 10 to 20 millimeter lens. It's a wide angle lens, so you're going to be able to see everything behind me. It looks really cool, so let's switch that out right now. What you guys think? So yeah, it's super wide angle. I love it. It's going to be great for vlogging, so it was a super good investment. The next thing I got is a Blue Yeti microphone. I'm going to be using this for my voiceovers and the haircut tutorials and all of that. So let's switch over to the Blue Yeti in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so we're switched over right now. Let me know if you guys hear a difference or anything. But yeah, let's hop straight into the video. Alright, so as I was saying before, it's a high skin fade with dreads on top. So we're not touching anything. He has a bit of he has a lot of hair on top of his lineup, so we're just gonna clean that down, line him up, and he's gonna be good to go. So first, what I'm doing right here is I'm just putting the cape on him with the neck strip, and then I take my white guard, which is a 1.5 guard open, and I'm just cleaning up the bulk so that I can see what I'm doing better. And then right here I have my baby-less, so my trimmer, and I'm making my first skin guideline. I like to switch it up. Sometimes I use my my wall, but now I'm using my trimmer. So yeah, you want to make sure that they come out even, so that the fade starts at the same spot on both sides of the head. So once you're done doing that, you just want to clean them off. And then right here I have my wall magic clip, the lever open. You're going up about 1/2 inch, and then you want to play with the lever, so the more you go down, the more you're going to close your lever. And then at the darker spots, you want to flick it with the corner of the blade. And then right here I'm just taking my my 1 guard open, going up another inch. So the same thing that I did with the 1/2 guard, we're just doing that once again. You want to do that all around the head. And then you want to slowly start closing the lever. So the more you go down, the more you're closing the lever until you're at the lever closed. And then after that, you take the gray guard with the lever open and do the same way. So the same thing. So the more you go down, the more you're closing the lever. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this video. It's a more raw, uncut video with my picture at the bottom. But yeah, I want some feedback. Let me hear it in the comments. So yeah, we're just working at that blend, making sure it's coming out crispy, blurry. Yeah, just working at it. If ever you see dark spots, you start to know what guard you need to get what you think you need out. So just play with it, just keep working at it until it comes out perfect. You don't want to work at it too much, because then you might mess it up, but just be patient, work with it. And then right here I have my my 1.5 guard open. I'm going up a little higher, trying to blend into the bulk, but he needs to get his hair retwisted. You can see it's all messed up and everything, but we're trying our best. We're taking it down. I'm going downwards with the lever open. I'm going downwards with the lever open to get rid of the bulk, and then I'm trying to flick it, fade it in, going upwards, and then slowly closing the lever. And then you're gonna see I'm gonna take my 1 guard open, trying to do the same thing. And then at the end, once I see it's faded together, I'll take my white guard open, I'll go downwards, I'll brush the hair, close it, go downwards, and then brush the hair again, and then you go with your 1 guard open, do the same thing. This will make sure that the fade and all the hairs are laid down perfectly. So right here, as I was saying, I'm going over those hairs, making sure that they're laid down, and then we just start with the lineup. starting with the lineup right here. So you want to start in the middle, slowly make your way towards the side. Yeah, you don't want to push him. You can see his hairline is messed up. Issa, bro, I'm sorry, but actually I'm not sorry. I helped you fixing your hairline, but you need to come see me more often because this was out of hand. But yeah, anyways, so start in the middle, make your way to the corner, do the bars there down. Same thing on the other side. But you guys can see the hairline's already looking way better than what it was before. And then right here, shout out Seb in the back. So yeah, right here, I'm just using the razor. I'm getting extra close to the skin, making sure that the outline is popping out. And then I hit it with some hair fibers. I don't usually do that, but Seb had some, so I was like, why not, you know, make it come out a little nicer. That's what I'm doing right here. And then I didn't put it in the video, but what you want to do is after you do that, you want to reline them up with the trimmer and then go over it with your with the blade. It's gonna make it come out perfect. Just doing the other side. And yeah, so that's what he came in looking like before. Looks homeless, literally. But yeah, that's what he's looking like right now. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned at the end. I have a little like TikTok I made, pretty funny. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.